Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Canva website to your Porkbun domain. First, go to your Canva website, and on the top right, click on Publish Site. Scroll down until you see the option that says Get a new domain, and click on that. From the choices, select Bring your own domain. Now, you'll need your domain from Porkbun. So head over to Porkbun and log into your account. Under Domain Management, you'll see a list of all your domains. Copy the one you want to connect to Canva. Once you've copied it, go back to Canva and paste your domain into the field provided. Then click Continue. Here, Canva will show you instructions to update your DNS records. Let's go through them one by one. First, we'll add an A record. Remember the name and copy the values given by Canva. Then, go back to Porkbun, hover over your domain, and click DNS under it. You'll see your existing DNS records. Go ahead and delete the ones that are already there so you can start fresh. Now, scroll up and choose A record as the type. For the host, type @ then paste the value you copied from Canva. Once done, click Add. Next, go back to Canva and confirm that the record has been added. Now, we'll add another A record. Again, copy the name and value shown in Canva. Go back to Porkbun, choose A as the type, and for the host, type www. Paste the value from Canva, then click Add. Once you're done, go back to Canva and confirm the second record as well. Lastly, we'll add a TXT record. Copy the host and value from Canva, then return to Porkbun. This time, choose TXT as your record type. For the host, type @ then paste the value you copied. Click Add. After that, head back to Canva and confirm that you've updated all your DNS record. Once everything's synced and Canva detects your domain, click on Use this domain. Now, when you publish your site, you can choose and use your Porkbun domain directly. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Canva website to your Porkbun domain. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.